All right, so what we're doing here, Yosif, what we're doing, we're installing
PIV fan. PIV fan.
So this is a PIV fan. Yeah. Let me hold this. Okay, so beautiful, and that's the job. Good, excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, we're second fixing. Okay, I will leave this. Fantastic. That's it. It's working. Fantastic. Oh, it's good. That vibration will be there and nowhere else. This is a final recap. If anyone is looking for installation of such a fan, this fan is particular with has heating incorporated in. So lovely. So as we go downstairs, this is the way how downstairs cover looks like as we approach. Right. So this is working, but I would like for you to look into instruction and adjust it in accordance of your need.
Okay.
I left instructions there on the box.
Yeah, okay, perfect.
And you know, YouTube is our friend.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Yeah.